Hello students, welcome to UPS e-learning group. As all of you know that this is the maths class and our first chapter large number is going on, and most of its topics has covered in our previous chapter. Okay, I want to recall you that in our last lecture I have explained you the Indian number system. I explained you yesterday that there are the two types of number system, and these were Hindu-Arabic system of numeration, or what we call it Indian number system, and the second one is international number system. Yesterday I explained you the Hindu-Arabic number system. Look a view of Hindu-Arabic number system once again to find out the difference between the international and Hindu-Arabic number system. Okay, this is the Indian number system. These are, all of you know, periods, ones, thousand, lakhs. See one more thing. In these periods, these are the places. Once there are 3 places. In thousands period there are 2 places, and in lakhs period there are also 2 places. Okay, this is the example. Now come to our today's topic, international number system. As you can see that it is the international number system, and for your convenience to understand 7-digit number, we put here a 7-digit number in the place value chart for international number system as shown in figure. Student, look at here carefully. These all are the periods of international place value system: ones, thousand, millions. Okay, I will explain the difference between Indian as well as the international here. So listen carefully. These are the ones period of international number system, and how many places are here? Ones, tens, 100 means 3 places. And now come to the second period, thousand period. How many places are here? Again ones, second and third. Now come to the third period, millions. There is a place millions, because we are talking about only the 7-digit number, so we show here only one place, millions. If we go forward, then there will be also 2 more places, 10 million and 100 million. So got what is the difference between Indian number system and international number system? In Indian number system there are also 3 periods for 7-digit, ones, thousand, and here was the lakhs period. And one most important thing, in ones period there was also 3 places, but in thousand places there were only 2 places, and in international number system there are 3 places. Okay, same here in millions. Here we show here million, but in international Indian number system there will be lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, now come to the today point. What are the values here? In ones period, ones place 7, tens place 5, 100 place is 1. Now come to the second period, thousand period. At thousand place there is 4, at 10,000 place there is 2, and 100,000 place 3. Look here carefully. We mention in international number system 100,000 also. Okay, then we will come to the next period, millions period. So what value here? 2. Now look how we can arrange the comma, or how we can make the number make the spelling or words number name for the international number system. Okay, so first we mention here 3 periods. This is a process to read or write in number names for international number system. This is ones period, this is thousand period, and this is the million period. How many digits are ones period? 157. So we write it here together. Now come to the thousand place. How many digits are here? 3, 2 and 4. So we write it here together. Now come to the millions place. Millions period. Which digit is here? 2. So mention it here. Now what will be the number according to the international number system? Look the places of comma carefully. it is according to the international number system. Okay, so how we will read this number? 2,324,157. I repeat again, how we will read this number? 2,324,157. If we have to write this in words, or we have to write the number name for this will answer 2,324,157. I also explained you that there will be no S in this point and at this point. Okay, now there are some points to remember the international as well as the Hindu-Arabic or Indian number system. What are these? In the international number system, the period are once period, there will be 3 places. So look at here, 1, 2, 3 places are in ones period. In thousand period, there also will be 3 places. So look at here, 1, 2, 3 places. And million period, there also will be 3 places. But because we are learning about only the 7 digits, so we show here only 1 digit u. Okay, now come to the next point that you have to keep in mind. What is that? In the Indian number system, the periods are ones period, 3 places. That what was that? Recall, ones, tens, hundred. And in thousand periods, there were 2 places. Recall, what was that? You know, 1,000 and 10,000. And in lakhs period, there were also 2 places. Yes, recall, what were these? These were the lakh and 10 lakh. Okay, now one more important point is, in the international number system, we write a number in group of 3 digits, as every period is divided into places. So look at here example again, 1, 2, 3, then we put a comma, and again 1, 2, 3, then we put a comma, and then we write here the next digit. Okay, if it will be the Indian number system, then we put our first comma here, and after then 2 digit, so our second comma will be here according to the Indian number system. Okay, student, after summarize both the number system, means the Indian number system and the international system, we will find out some points. What is that? That 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. Okay, means the number of digits in 1 lakh and 1,000 will be same, and 10 lakh equal to as same as the 1 million. Okay, now I am giving here some exercise or example for your convenience to understand. Look at here, what is our question number 1? Write the number names using the Indian system of numeration. Which number of system? Indian number system of numeration. Okay, if a simple number given to us, what will you read this? 2, 4, 6, 3, 1, 6, 5. So first we have to put here the comma according to the Indian number system. What is the rule for putting the comma according to Indian number system? In ones period, there will be 3 digits, then comma. In 10,000 period, there will be 2 digits, then comma. And then lakh period, there will be 2 digits. So it is easy to read it now. 24,63,156. If we have to write the number name of this, it will be write as 24,63,165. We are talking here about the Indian number system. Okay, now come to our question number 2. Write the number names using the international system of numeration. Students, it is most important to putting the comma according to the number system in a proper place. Okay, if you putting the comma at proper place, then there will be no mistake. Now next number is 6482413. What we have to do here? We have to write the number name according to international number system. So first we have to putting the commas according to the international number system. we learn about that what is the rule to putting the comma for international. At ones period 3 digit, at 1000 period there also be 3 digit. So our next second comma will be put here. Then the million periods, it is the million periods. Now listen what we will read it. 6,482,413. Okay, so 6,482,413. There is one more important point that I explained you yesterday also. Then when we read numbers, the digits in the same period are read together. Okay, student, please go through the video twice and thrice and clear your doubts and understand the topic properly. Okay, and homework for the today is learn and revise everything that I explained today as well as in our previous lecture. Okay, you have to draw the international and Indian number system as I described here and learn the tables up to 5. Okay, thank you.